On today's video, we're going to be working on this header. This is for the patio. Generally, what happens with these headers and the slats is eventually at some point, one or more of the actual clips that hold the slat will no longer operate properly. It's a simple repair to such a common problem, and I'll show you how to fix that. So when you're looking at the header, you have this little gear that slides into the clip right here. And what happens is sometimes the gear, for one reason or another, will pop out. And what will happen is this will no longer properly rotate when you use your stick to rotate the gear of the shaft. So you see here, it'll remain in the open position. To fix this, you'll want to remove the slat, and you'll do that by pushing up and then moving over at the same time. So push up and then slide it out. Now what I like to do is I like to open up the gears, and this will allow me to kind of just move the header over, and this will just give me room so I can kind of work in the new gear that goes to the clip. So we're gonna pop out this clip and basically just gonna rotate it out, and it comes right out like that. Now what we're going to do is we're gonna take a very small screwdriver and we're gonna slowly work it into this little clip right here, and we're gonna slowly push it back. This is what allows your clip to rotate. If you look inside, you can see there that it sits right on the inside, and this is what allows, when you rotate, you'll see it rotate and move it. What I do is I pretty much just sit the gear on the inside, and then I take a flat small screwdriver and slowly work it and push it towards the back. Now we're going to take a little guide right here and we're going to snap it back in place. Just make sure when you're putting in your new clip that you have it in the same position as your other ones. You can see here the longer is on the back side, the shorter is on the front side. So just make sure you're installing it in the proper position. Again, you want to use two hands. You want to basically just hold the back of this and push this inside. I'm going to try to do it with one hand while I'm holding my phone. And you're just going to push it in like that. Once you finish that, go ahead and test it. So we're going to move it, open up the header. I'm going to rotate it. Just want to make sure the clip moves. Once you finish, go ahead and put your slat back up. If this video was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.